As states have legalized medical cannabis, trailblazers like you have lined up to be at the forefront of this emerging industry. By opening or working in dispensaries or welcoming patients into your medical practice. Those of you not directly involved in the industry seek a way to be involved, to advocate for improved regulations and policies, to change laws, and to better understand the science of this plant. Thank you for putting your trust in us, for enrolling in our program, and for the dedication, excitement, and enthusiasm that you have shown in just the first few days of the program.
I want to welcome you all to our first symposium. Welcome, class of 2021. It's thrilling. It is truly thrilling to see you all here today. I think that this diversity in our group is going to make this experience all the richer for you, for me, and for all of us who are teaching in this program.
These connections that we're making here today in this orientation, it's going to really drive us to really change what's going on in the industry. The fact that there are only 150 of us that get this opportunity this first time. You know, it's incumbent upon us to be leaders, to stand out in the crowd and to do something more than just get the degree.
I want to stay ahead of the curve. And so the opportunities that the program will deliver to me is that high level of science, as well as a deep dive into policy. And I'd love to be able to impact policy down the road. And I think, areas of science that we don't even know yet, but at the forefront, for example, where cannabis meets genomics, and to be part of that history is really exciting.
So far in orientation, we've gotten to speak with a bunch of different experts, physicians, dispensary managers. Everyone's been super informative, really nice people. I'm pretty excited about the program so far. And I'm also really hoping to get a better understanding of the cannabinoid processes in the body. So we've heard a little bit about that, what we're going to learn in our following courses. So I'm pretty excited about that.
I learned quite a lot in orientation, especially during the roundtable discussions with other cannabis industry professionals. There were different sectors that we could communicate about and learn about, and just really get exposed to more options for our own careers and what path we should take. So that was very good, positive reinforcement of what we could be.
We were looking out at our fellow classmates, and we're making history in that realm. Meeting each other and over the next 2 years, and the opportunity to be, as Dean Eddington said, not only this the first program in the country, but in the world focused on medical cannabis, the science of medical cannabis. So it's really exciting.